It's not the right train, this one.
That's the Adams C3.
Ja, dat is er wel weer. Ja, had ik nog over de pad. Ja.
I saw some soldiers
boarded up, so the scrapman never got to get at this. When the Swanage Railway got back here in 2005, they put it back in use. But they only used this platform for a while, so they didn't need all the signalling. But then they used both lines, so they needed extra signals. So they decided, because this is a listed building, they couldn't extend it or anything like that. So they decided to bite the bullet and rebuild a new signal box over there, which is that one. So this carried on in use to the March 2011. Then it closed again. Everything got transferred back to the other side, and this lay fallow signal goes out on the platform with the token, and as the train runs in, he collects the token that's brought the train up through that section of single line and hands him the token to go into the next one. So now she's put the signal back down again, which is the first job the signalman does when the train leaves the station.
Sorry, but you're not in the.
No, it's all right.
Just want to-
In there. And that's how it worked all day long.
very, very clever.
Yeah, Victorians again, what we're celebrating this weekend. Yeah.
Nie kręcają, tak wydali.